Welcome back to Auto Insider, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG SL63, a car that brings luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech into one stunning package. Let's kick things off with what powers this beast. Under the hood, we have a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces a mind-blowing 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This power propels the SL63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. That's supercar territory, but with the refinement Mercedes-AMG is known for. The AMG Speedshift MCT 9-speed transmission ensures smooth yet aggressive gear changes, keeping the ride thrilling whether you're cruising or pushing it to its limits. Now let's talk handling. Mercedes-AMG equipped the SL63 with an active suspension system called AMG Ride Control Plus, designed to adapt to different driving conditions. Whether you're on a windy mountain road or gliding down the highway, this system balances comfort and precision, giving you a confident drive no matter the terrain. The 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system also adds extra grip, providing excellent control even in less than ideal conditions. On the design front, the 2025 SL63 is a head-turner. Mercedes has combined sleek, aerodynamic lines with a more aggressive AMG-style grille and large air intakes. The long hood and muscular rear give it that classic Roadster silhouette, while the retractable soft top adds versatility. Drop the top in under 15 seconds for an open-air driving experience. Inside, the SL63 is pure luxury. The cabin is draped in premium leather with carbon fiber and aluminum accents. The 11.9-inch touchscreen is packed with Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration. Safety-wise, the SL63 comes loaded with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to ensure you're not just driving fast, but driving safely. It's a blend of high performance and high tech that few cars can match. And the price for all this? The 2025 Mercedes-AMG SL63 starts around $180,000, making it a luxury sports car for those who want the best of both worlds, blistering speed and sophisticated comfort. Before we wrap up, today's highlighted feature is the AMG Performance Steering Wheel. It's not just beautiful to look at, but adds to the car's handling precision, with controls at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Insider for more reviews like this. Stay tuned for our next review, and as always, drive safe.